Hello friends, welcome to Connected Dots. Today I will tell you about E&O insurance policy. What is error and omission insurance? Error and omission insurance, also known as E&O insurance and professional liability insurance, help protect your business from lawsuits that claim you made a mistake in your professional service. This insurance can help cover your court costs or pay or settlement, which can be very expensive for your business to pay. Learn more about what errors and omission insurance coverage is. What does E&O insurance cover? Error and omission insurance help protect business owners from claims of negligence, error and service given, omission, misrepre- misrepresentation, violation of good faith and fair dealing, insurance, inaccurate advice. If someone sues your business for making a mistake in the professional service you have provided, this insurance can help cover your attorney fees, which cost an average of $3,000 to $150,000 cost court, like reserving a courtroom or paying for expert witness administrative costs to put your defense together, such as paying office managers and court reporters settlements and judgments, which can cost a couple thousand to million of thousand dollars. Errors and omission insurance only help covers claims if it's filed within your policy period or extended reporting period. The incident occurred on or after your retroactive date. The retroactive date means incident that happened on or after a certain date in your policy or are eligible for coverage. That the extended reporting period helps cover claims filed within a certain period of time after your policy expires. The the retroactive date is important because some events that result in a loss for a client might not be apparent until a few years later when the court summons arrive in the mail. By having an older retroactive date, you will have more protection from events that happened in the past that have not suffered yet. What error and omission insurance doesn't cover? Error and omission insurance doesn't help cover claims from events that happened before your policy retroactive date. It also doesn't help your business with claims filed after your policy extended reporting period. Be aware that errors and omission doesn't cover every type of liability claim. This insurance won't help your business with claims of illegal acts and purposeful wrongdoing, such as intentionally breaking the law or deceiving your customer or client. Bodily injury or property damage that your business causes. For these kinds of claims, you will need a general liability insurance policy. Employees' injuries or illness caused by their work, a workers' compensation insurance policy can give your employees benefits to help them recover from a work related injury or illness. Be aware that many states require this coverage if you have employees. Discrimination or harassment in the workplace that your employees file getting employment practices liability insurance can help cover these types of claims. Why do you need errors and omission insurance? Without error and omission insurance, the cost of liability claims can be so expensive that they could put your business at risk of closing. Even if your customer drops their claim, your legal expenses could still be thousands of dollars. And if you are found at fault or agree to settle the claim out of court, you can expect to pay a large amount of pocket. That's why it's important to protect your business with errors and omission coverage. Who needs an errors and omission insurance policy? Business that provide a service to customers could carry errors and omission insurance. This includes many types of professionals, including accountants, engineering and engineering firms, advertising firms, educators, marketing firms, website developers, counseling companies, barbershop and hair salons, printing and publishing companies, pet service such as veterinarians and pet groomers, real estate agents. Get a fast and free errors and omission insurance quote from Hartford. We are an insurance company backed by over 20 years of experience. We understand your business has unique needs and we are here to help you get you the coverage you need. Get a small business insurance quote today and learn how we can start protecting your business.